Good morning children. So today we are going to see multiplication. As I taught you in the last class, there are three properties for multiplication. First property is any number multiplied with 0 will be 0 and any number multiplied with 1 will be the same number, and multiplication is interconvertible, which means 1 into 5 and 5 into 1 will give you the same answers. So these are the three properties of multiplication. Okay, so now we are going to see more properties. Before that, there is one multiplication problem. Okay, in exercise 5.1 there are three Romans, right? First Roman I did and I gave some homework sums, and second Roman I did and gave you some homework works. So third one is the same. See, they have given you first one 75 into 1, which is 75. Second one 93 into 0, which will give you 0, because any number multiplied with 0 will give you the same number. Okay, so third one 37 into 42. This one I'll teach you how to do. Okay, the fourth one is 1 into 555 will give you 1 into any number will give you the same number, right? 555. Then fifth one 15 into 20. See, this both you can see that 35 into 70. Multiplication is interconvertible, interchangeable, right? So 37 into 42 can be written as 42 into 37. Likewise, here also 20 into 15 can be written as 20 into 15. Those are the third properties of multiplication. And the sixth one is 7623 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will give you the same 0. Right. Now, we are going to see multiplication table that is made for 100 numbers. Okay, till 10 and 10. See, they have made a table. And here are the numbers to be multiplied. For example, we'll make a small table for 3 numbers. Okay, so multiplication 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. They have started with 0. We are going to start with 1. So 1 into 1 will give you 1. So 1 into 2 will give you 2. 1 into 3 will give you 3. Now 1 into 2 will give you 2. 1 into 3 will give you 3. Now 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. You have to tell the table. Okay. So now here you have 2 and here you have 3. 3 2s are 3, 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now here 2 and 3. 2 is here and 3 is here. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now here 3 is here and 3 is here. 3 3s are 3, 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, likewise we can make more tables. Okay, they have started with 0 and ended with 10. So 0 multiplied by any number, see, 0 multiplied by any number will give you 0. So that's why the first row and the first column of the multiplication table is 0. After that 1, you have multiplied that with 1, right? So you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, the same number you got in the second one. On the third one you can see that 2 multiplied by 2 you will get the 2, 3, 4 and 5 values, right? So now these are the multiplication table. Okay, this gives you an idea. Okay, so that here, for example, 9 into 10 gave you 90, right? So if you see that you can find 9 into 10 gave you 90. So 9 into how many tens are there? 1 tens gives you 9 tens. Okay, for example, if you have 9 into hundreds, so if this is equal to 9 into 100, which means 900. Okay, for one more you can see 9 into 1000. Okay, so 9 into 1000 will give you 9000. Okay, likewise if you multiply a number with 100 or 1000 or 10, you will get the same number. Okay, so let's continue with multiplication of a number with hundreds, tens and ones. Now let's say you have 12 multiplied with 100. Okay, so now you can write, see here you have 12. So 12 multiplied with what? 100. How many hundreds? 100. So 1 into 12 is 12. 1 into any number will give you the same number. So 1200. Okay, so for example, if you have 12 into 200, then you can say 12 into 200, which will give you, so 12 into 2, 100. So 12 into 2. 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 1s are 2, which will give you 2400. Understood? So now we are going to solve exercise problems. Exercise 5.2. First one, 3 into 100, which will give you 3 into 100, which is 300. 300. Understood? Now, second one, 9 into 50. Okay, which means 9 into 5 tens. 9 5s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 10, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, which means 45 tens is equal to 4500. 45 into 0. Then third one is 9 into 500. So which will give you 9 into 500. 9 5s are 45, right? So 4500, which is 45 into 00. Okay. So fourth one will be your homework. Okay. So now fifth one. Fifth one, here you see 24 is there and into multiplied by 200, which means 24 into 200. Right. So now what you have to do is 24 into 2. So 2 4s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 8, 2 into 2. First you have to multiply with the unit and then you have to multiply with the tens. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, right? 4. So 48. 4800. For 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros, right? So 48 into 00. Now, sixth one, 2 into 3000. So the same way, you have to multiply 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6000. Next, seventh one, 5. So they have given a blank and 70 is equal to 350. Now see, here you have a number multiplied with 70 so that you get 350, right? So here you have tens. Here also you have 1 0. So what you have to do is, you have to say dash into 7 will 7 tens will give you 35 tens. Okay, so now you have to tell 7 tables so that you will get 35 tens. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 7 into 5 gives you 35. Then tens you got here. So 7 into 5 will give you 35 tens. Understood? Now the last one, 8 sum, 20 into 60. So here you see there are 2 tens here. So 2 tens into 6 tens. Now what you should do is 2 into 6. 2 into 6, you will get tens and tens. 2 tens are there, no? So now 2 6 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So 2 6 are 12 and there are 2 tens. For that you put 2 zeros. Okay. Now with this the exercise 5.2 gets over. Do your homework sums. See you in the next class. Bye.